on the warm-up for day 4, I saw a lot of people doing a lot of extra work that maybe they weren't exactly sure what information they were looking for. So let's read it. Marcos earned $300 mowing lawns this month. Of his earnings, he plans to spend 18% repairing lawn equipment, that's this, 20% in his savings, and use 35% for camp fees. He will spend the rest. How much will Marcos have left to spend? So we're just talking about this part right here, right? That's the only part that's left. Did I need to figure out and calculate what 18% of the $300 is? Nope. Did I need to calculate the 20%? Nope. Did I need to calculate the camp fees at 35%? Nope. The only thing you had to do was find 27% of $300. And what does of mean to do? Multiply. And so when you multiply like this, you do use the percent sign, right? So you would put 27, use the percent sign, times $300. And what did we get? $81. If you use the percent proportion that looks like this, do we know the part? No, that's what we're going to find out. What's the whole? What's the whole amount he earned? $300. What's the percent? 27. And we put that over 100. Do I use the percent sign in the percent proportion? No, the percent sign is the same thing as dividing by 100. So you can't use the percent sign and then finish the proportion and divide by 100. That's what moves that decimal 2 places to the right. The percent sign moves the decimal 2 places to the right. Dividing by 100 moves the decimal 2 places to the right. You cannot use both of them. So here, because we're not dividing by 100, we do use the percent sign. Down here, because we're dividing by 100, we don't use it. Does that help clarify things? I feel like some of you are not paying attention to me. And I feel like if I've said, everyone, let's stop what we're doing and listen, that kind of meant everyone. Questions about this warm-up? Okay. All right. One other thing, the iExcel sheets that we do in Google are not working for me. I go and I print the spreadsheet and people are turning things in late, then I have to go print it again and pull another report and pull another report. And then if you don't tell me you turned it in late, I don't see the grade. So we're just going to go back to old school like I used to do in the past. I think some of your 6th grade math teachers used an iExcel spreadsheet like this. So you're just going to turn these in. You put your name up here. So I would put Mrs. Miller. The K section, there's probably more than will fit right here. So I would do like K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6, K7. And if I'm out of room and still have a couple more, I'll just flip it over and do like K8 and K9. And then when I average them all, I'm going to do the math, divide by how many there are, and I would do like 86 right here. Everybody okay with that? Did you all do that last year? I think some of you did, maybe some of you didn't. They are kept, these are kept over on the side of the Chromebook cart. On the left-hand side, there's a little red hanging basket. They're just kept in there. You pick it up, you fill it out, and then there's a little white basket on my desk, and you just turn it in there. So if you have a question, just come see me, and I'll show you where they are. And so anything that you had not turned in by yesterday, so if you just turned something in today, you need to fill out one of these forms for it. And then drop it in there, and maybe that will make things a little bit easier keeping up with. And then last thing, today's new sheet, there's only 5 problems. I want you to use the proportions on these, and you need to be careful when you read the questions. So how much simple interest will you earn in 5 years? So you will say in 5 years the simple interest earned will be. Down here in the second one, how much money will she have in her account after 6 years? That's a little bit of a different problem because she's going to have the $1,500 in her account, and she's also going to have the interest that she earned in her account. So you'll have one more step on a problem like this. So you need to make sure that you're reading the question and answering the question that it asks you. In all of them, you will find the interest. In some of them, it's just asking you what the interest is. And in some of them, it's asking you how much the total amount in the account will be or how much the total loan is. So make sure you read those. And you're turning these 5 in for a grade today. That means they're worth 20 points each. So be careful. See a teacher if you have a question. All right.